The number of coronavirus cases continues to grow across Maryland. More than 19,000 people now, and 858 people have died. As Governor Hogan looks to begin to reopen the state at some point, he is keeping a close eye on hospitalizations and those in the ICU. Hello, everybody. I'm Denise Koch.
And I'm Rick Ritter.
Well, the first field hospital in Baltimore opened today at the Convention Center downtown. It is now ready to treat hundreds of patients.
And new tonight, we are learning about new data from nursing homes that is now going to be released.
WJZ investigator Mike Helgren is live at the Convention Center. He's breaking down that latest information. Mike?
Denise and Rick, the biggest outbreaks we've seen in the state are in nursing homes, and the governor announced that starting later this week, the Department of Health would begin releasing detailed daily information on those cases in nursing homes and long-term care facilities across the state.
So these are for patient showers. So remember, the people that come here will be towards the back end of their illness.
3 weeks after the governor's tour, the Baltimore Convention Center finally opened as a field hospital.
They'll come here, so they'll be somewhat ambulatory.
250 beds to help those who are recovering from COVID-19, but too sick to do so at home.
Not fancy, but it does the job, and you got plenty of room in there for the nurses to walk around.
Maryland has seen an increase in people hospitalized in both ICU and acute care beds. The bright spot, testing is on the rise. More than 8,000 people were tested in the past 24 hours.
We're not out of the woods yet, but we're slowing the curve. But like I said, we need to make sure that we still practice social distancing.
Maryland's Secretary of Labor apologized for the state's new unemployment website, which has repeatedly crashed since its debut last week. Because it can't handle the demand, there's now a virtual waiting line. The site will shut down daily from 1 to 3 a.m., and you cannot file new claims on Sundays and Mondays. The governor acknowledged the problems Friday.
I'm very frustrated that the vendor did not have it ready for the volume. We've expressed that frustration.
And many small business owners are still facing frustration trying to get loans and grants, hoping they can stay afloat.
I know that feeling where you're feeling like you're failing them if things aren't going well. I've applied for everything that I can. PPP, SBA, EIDL.
WJZ also obtained new numbers on cases in the state's prison system. They've grown to 217. The majority of those infected are correctional officers. And as of right now, 157 officers have been infected, 50 inmates have been infected, and one has died. Reporting live in Baltimore, Mike Helgren, WJZ.